Hello and welcome to our look in Sikkim. As we all know, the current situation that has been happening, the lockdown which is forcing everyone to stay inside their house. The higher authorities have taken all the major decisions in order to ensure the safety of all individuals. So today I am here in the West District, Kurma R. Bompo. So I am going to ask a few questions to him regarding the COVID-19 situation. Good afternoon, sir. So we all know the depth of the present happening that is around us. So sir, how has been the West Sikkim department been able to cope up with the situation of COVID-19?
So actually we have been updating regarding the COVID-19 right from the start. Right now we are just mainly the returnees of different parts of the country. They are entering West District. So currently we are just arranging for the quarantine facilities. We are focusing on testing right now, and then how to send them to home quarantine. So basically we are ensuring that at least 14 days they get into a facility quarantine. They get tested, and after testing is over, then we send them to home quarantine. So this is the protocol we are currently following. And since now flight has also resumed, so we are expecting by next week maybe there'll be more such returnees. So as far as I think the government of Sikkim is concerned, most of the evacuations, the major evacuations has already been done. So we have got around 903 returnees till now in West District. We had estimated they would be about 1500. But I think out of the 1500, some will not be coming. So I think major part of the returnees are already back in the state. Maybe we will get another 100 or 300, maximum up to 300 more we are expecting. So after that, I think we are will be ensured that most of the returnees have already returned back to the district. And once they have returned, so we ensure that at least 14 days they are put into facility quarantine, and then they are tested. So this is the current strategy.
So regarding the current strategy, sir, I know there are so many students who have been studying outside the state. So regarding their return, there are some people who are staying in the paid quarantine, some in the facility. But how are the things been going on till date for them, regarding their maintenance, how they are staying where and what about?
So we have facility quarantines in various places of the district. So we keep them in that particular quarantine. We have created all these facilities taking into account the government infrastructure. So wherever the infrastructure we have just taken over, some are newly constructed. So we have put mattresses, and we have put other whatever requirements for quarantine is there, and these quarantine centers have been set up. And for fooding and all, we have outsourced it to self-help groups and to various organizations who are looking after the fooding. So fooding is all outsourced, and then we pay them on a per person basis. So we have given this to various self-help groups who are taking that. And for regarding this cleanliness and all, the Safai Karmacharis of various departments, they are looking after the cleanliness. And we also ensure that protection is given to the people who are working in these facilities. So right from personal protective equipments to ensuring that everything is in disposable form. So we are not using anything like plates or something. We have, everything that all the food that goes in is in package form. So after the person has consumed it, we ensure that it is disposed within that site itself. So for this we have dug out various pits, and these have been done by the department itself. So once all these things we try to dispose it within the site itself, so there is no contamination outside that particular quarantine center.
So we all know this situation is a very new thing for everyone. This is the first time everyone is facing it. So the public are also panicking in a way or other. So what would be your message for the public of Sikkim?
So I think as far as possible, Sikkim is in a very fortunate state. We have just got one COVID patient. That also he has almost recovered, and he has not the infection has not spread to others. So I think it will be contained. It is contained basically, and we don't have something known as community transmission also. So we are in a very, very early stage, and I think it's very possible to control it in this particular stage. And as far as rest of the countries or rest of the states are concerned, I think we are in a very, very comfortable situation right now. And I would like to urge all the people, if you take enough precautions like wearing mask, if you maintain social distance, if you maintain hygiene, then it is very much possible to control this virus. And we have to learn from what the other countries have done, especially if you look at countries like Vietnam, if you look like countries like New Zealand and all. So they have taken a lot of precautions, they have taken a lot of steps, which now we can also emulate. So it is much easier right now to control because we are in a very, very comfortable state, and the state government has been very, very proactive in that particular thing. And I think we are much more fortunate than the other states of the country.
Thank you, sir, for your time. Thank you.